So here we have the Ford Ranger on a 74 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the vehicle, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside you can see that it's a 4-door vehicle with alloy wheels, of course. We're going to start off inside the cargo area in the rear of the vehicle first. As we approach the back of the vehicle, you can see we have the tow bar, and as you may well expect, loads of storage space in the rear of the vehicle. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of it, and then we'll hop in, and as I mentioned, we'll run through some controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, we have the fuel gauge. And then in the center, you can see the main trip computer section. In the center at the bottom, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, so we, of course, are in park at the moment. And in the center, in that top left-hand corner, the digital readout for the speedometer. So from there, you'll be able to, of course, see your speed. You can see what gear you're in. You've also got your trip computer information available to you on that screen as well. And then there are various other views and menus that you can go through. So you can see there various different trip computers available to you up on that screen as well. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was just using are over here. So again, lots of different menus that you can go through, various different types of trip computer, all accessed on here. We have our stereo and phone controls. Stereo controls continue on the left, along with cruise control and speed limiter. This car's got adaptive cruise control, so hit this button, it's able to maintain itself or its own distance between itself and the vehicle in front of you. Over into the center, we have this massive touchscreen. You can access your main menu from here, where you'll be able to get your DAB, FM radio, pair your phone, your navigation, which we were just looking at a moment ago, your media, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Absolutely loads of ways to listen to music. And we have this full color parking camera, really nice clear display on there, as you can see. Working our way down from that, we've got the dual zone climate control. So you can make adjustments here, which will show up on this screen. So for passenger and driver temperature, you can increase and decrease the fan speed, or you can just make all adjustments on the screen itself if you wish to. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so you can turn that off, back on again, off, on again. You can see most of the buttons are repeated, with the exception of the heated seat and steering wheel. You don't get those controls down here, only on the screen, and the same here for the passenger side, and as I say, a heated steering wheel as well, which is a lovely option to have. Underneath here, plenty of storage, USB-A and USB-C input, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, 2 cup holders, an electronic handbrake, and then various off-road and 4-wheel drive controls available to you. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the vehicle for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at 7daysonly.co.uk. We'd love to hear from you.